A large amount of violent offense committed in Jamaica is committed out of undiagnosed mental health disorders that were not diagnosed in people as children. A big part of why this go undiagnosed a lot of times is because of the stigma. People are afraid of the stigma of calling their children crazy, because our concept of being mentally ill is that a guy would be running up and down on the road naked and chasing after people with sticks and stuff. But no, mental health disorder can be something as simple as bad anxiety, depression that you can't shake off, or it could be schizophrenia. You're hearing voices in your head, and sometimes it's just that kid around the yard that walks around and rip off all the rooster's head and the lizard's head.